Mango is one of the most popular fruits in the world. Thanks to mass cultivation and modern processing technologies, this fruit is becoming more accessible and widespread. People enjoy mangoes for their sweet, juicy taste and numerous health benefits. Mangoes are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a staple in many diets. In this story, we will explore the process of growing, harvesting, and processing mangoes on some of the largest farms and factories. We will also discuss the challenges farmers face and the techniques they use to ensure high-quality fruit. From planting the seeds to delivering the final product to consumers, each stage requires careful attention and expertise. Farmers plant mango trees at the end of spring. This is the ideal time to start a new harvest. Mango trees thrive in warm climates with plenty of sunlight, so choosing the right location is crucial for their growth. The soil must be well drained, and farmers often enrich it with organic fertilizers to provide essential nutrients. On John's farm, one of the most experienced farmers, steel wires are used to protect the trees from strong winds, which helps the plants grow strong and healthy. Additionally, regular irrigation ensures the trees receive enough water, especially during dry periods. Pruning is another important step, as it promotes better air circulation and prevents disease. By carefully monitoring these factors, farmers can maximize the yield and quality of their mango crops. Mango trees begin to flower at a specific time of the year, usually in the early months of spring. These flowers are small and delicate, requiring careful protection from pests and harsh weather conditions. Farmers use natural pesticides and organic methods to ensure the flowers develop into healthy fruit. After 105 days from the time of flowering, the fruits reach maturity and are ready for harvest. During this period, farmers closely monitor the condition of the trees and provide them with the necessary care. Proper nutrient management is essential to ensure the mangoes develop their signature sweetness and vibrant color. Some farmers also use special techniques, such as grafting, to improve the quality of the fruit and increase production. On a farm in Miguel Hidalgo, Mexico, the harvesting season begins early in the morning. The climate plays a crucial role in determining the best time to pick the fruit. Mangoes should be harvested at just the right level of ripeness to ensure the best taste and texture. For low-growing trees, farmers use a manual harvesting method to avoid damaging the fruit. This careful approach helps maintain the mango's appearance and quality. Taller trees require the use of special long poles with nets for precise collection. These poles allow farmers to reach high branches without bruising or harming the delicate fruit. Once collected, the mangoes are carefully placed in large baskets and transported to processing facilities. After harvesting, mangoes are placed in large baskets and sent for processing. Transportation is a critical step, as improper handling can lead to damage and spoilage. Farmers and workers ensure the fruit is packed securely to prevent bruising during transit. In the inspection zone, any remaining stems are removed and the fruits are checked for defects. Quality control teams assess the mangoes for ripeness, size, and overall condition before they are sent to the processing plant. This step ensures that only the best mangoes proceed to the next stage. At the factory, mangoes go through a sorting process where damaged and unripe fruits are removed. Automated sorting machines use cameras and sensors to detect imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality mangoes are selected for further processing. Next, the selected mangoes are sent to washing machines, where they are cleaned using high-pressure water jets. This step removes dirt, pesticides, and any bacteria present on the skin. Some facilities also use mild, food-safe disinfectants to further enhance cleanliness. Proper washing is essential to maintain hygiene and ensure the safety of the final product. Before further processing, mangoes undergo short-term heat treatment, which helps eliminate harmful enzymes that could alter the taste and color of the juice. This process also extends the fruit's shelf life, making it more suitable for export. Heat treatment involves briefly exposing the mangoes to controlled temperatures, which helps preserve their natural sweetness and texture. Some facilities use steam or hot water immersion to achieve the desired results. By carefully managing the temperature and duration, processors can enhance the quality of the mangoes while maintaining their nutritional value. After heat treatment, mangoes are coated with a protective layer, packed into boxes and sent to the market. The protective coating helps retain moisture and prevent spoilage during transportation and storage. A significant portion of the harvest is exported, contributing to the growth of international trade. Mangoes are shipped worldwide, reaching consumers in different countries. The packaging process also involves labeling and barcoding, ensuring traceability and compliance with food safety standards. From local markets to supermarkets across the globe, mangoes continue to be in high demand. At the juice production plant, selected fruits are peeled, seeds are removed, and the pulp is crushed using high-performance machines. These machines are designed to extract the maximum amount of juice while minimizing waste. The pulp is then refined to remove fibers and achieve a smooth consistency. Juice production requires careful monitoring to maintain flavor and nutritional content. Some manufacturers add natural preservatives to extend shelf life, while others opt for fresh, unprocessed juices with minimal additives. Regardless of the method, the goal is to create a high-quality mango juice that retains the fruit's rich taste and health benefits. The cleaned and crushed pulp undergoes additional filtration and degassing stages, which improve its quality by removing any remaining solids and excess air. Filtration ensures that the juice is smooth and free from unwanted particles, while degassing prevents oxidation, which can affect flavor and appearance. Once the juice meets quality standards, it is packaged into bottles, cartons, or cans, ready to be shipped to store shelves. Advanced packaging techniques help preserve freshness, allowing consumers to enjoy delicious mango juice year-round. From tropical farms to your glass, each step in the process ensures that mango juice remains a refreshing and nutritious beverage choice. Thanks to modern technologies and a well-thought-out process, mango remains an accessible and high-quality product. From planning to packaging, every stage requires meticulous work, making this fruit so popular worldwide. Farmers, processors, and distributors all play a vital role in bringing fresh mangoes and mango-based products to consumers. Whether enjoyed fresh in smoothies or as juice, mango continues to be a beloved fruit enjoyed by people of all ages.